Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Pinterest sound problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Pinterest and you need to update your Pinterest application. As you can see, my Pinterest is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings. Here you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Pinterest. And the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and log in into your Pinterest account and hopefully your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.